In this video, we're going to look at where you can find ketogenic recipes, and we're going to explore the KetoSuite recipe book. So from the dashboard, we go to the recipe calculator. It takes us to the recipe book. Here we have a bunch of categories, and it starts in My Favourites. So this is favourite recipes that I've clicked. And we can look at some of the other categories as well. So for instance, if we go to one pot meals, there's lots of recipes here. And if I want to make one of these a favorite, I click on the little avocado at the top right, and now it's in my favorites. Some other categories we have from my dietitian, and this will have recipes in it that your dietitian has identified and recommended to you specifically for initiation or weaning or a particular period of your ketogenic diet. When you create your own recipes, they will sit in My Recipes. And then you've got the other categories of baking, blended foods, soups, shakes, desserts, snacks, one-pot meals, breakfast, and recipes made with Nutritionals. So each recipe will have a button for making a copy of it if you want to make a copy for your My Recipes, and then you can edit and change that copy, and it will have a button to take it to the calculator. So you find the recipe you want, you click on calculator, and it opens it up in the recipe calculator itself.